In these days, most of the people are using AI in every single day, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, multiple agents as part of their daily activities. So that's why the prompt engineering plays a very significant role in the upcoming days. And we guys see ChatGPT has recently launched GPT-5. The interesting part about this release is that GPT-5 prompting guide. And when it comes to the anatomy of GPT-5, they have asked the users to follow the 7-step guide to actually taste the real flavor of GPT. And here I'll be explaining the 7-step prompting framework, like which will be useful for you to get the results what you expected. You have to master these 7-step guidelines to become a pro at GPT. First and foremost is that like you have to set your role to the GPT agent by defining the persona or expertise of the model. Then you have to describe the task in clear and specific, like what exactly it need to do. Post that it is about the context, like you need to provide the background information and the relevant facts and documents it requires. So fourth and foremost important thing is reasoning, like you have to outline the GPT, like how to solve the problem. Like if you have a step by step logical plan, you should rules are something which you ask your GPT agent not to go beyond those particular activities. These include non-negotiables, constraints, or forbidden activities which the GPT should not cross the limits over that. We also have a control over the GPT to indicate like when the output should stop by giving some decisions or some conditions. And finally, the most important part is output format. How are we expecting the output should be like? Whether it might be a image, table, summary, markdown code, video, you have to specify how the output format should be like. Role, task, context, reasoning, rules, stop conditions, and finally the output format. So let's take an example that I have started an AI startup. So as part of the startup, like let's assume I'll be requiring 30 days of media content. So which I'll be asking the chat GPT. This is the basic prompt which I have given to the chat GPT, and chat GPT has performed well and it has given a well detailed explanation. Now let's try to implement the structured prompt. Here I have used the 7-step formula which I have shared with you by defining the role, task, and the context background as the startup offers an AI tool that helps freelancers generate professional contracts quickly. And I have kept the target audience as the freelancers, solopreneurs in the US, and the budget is $5,000 for the month. So I have defined the reasoning and added some rules. I have also added some stop conditions as well, like where exactly it need to stop, and I have also added how exactly I need the output format as well. So you can see here I have specified the output format as, so present the plan as a markdown table with the columns, date, theme, post idea, and columns. You can see the difference between the basic and the structured data, how it has given a well structured data. So let me ask the chat GPT to plan for a 5-day itinerary for me and my fiance going to Paris. So let's see with the basic prompt and with the advanced prompt. With the basic prompting, I have asked to plan a 5-day itinerary for a couple for Paris. When it comes to structured prompt, I have given the role as an expert European travel guide, and the task is to plan a 5-day vegetarian friendly trip to Paris for a couple. I have given the context, reasoning. I also have defined some specific rules that it only include vegetarian food options since I am a vegetarian, and the walking distance should be manageable within 30 minutes max to max. And I have kept some stop conditions as well to end after 5 days of activity, and I have also asked for the output format as to deliver it as a bulletin day by day itinerary with restaurants recommendations in italics. You can see a significant difference between the basic and a well structured prompt. If you found this video useful, please like the video and click on that subscribe button below. This keeps me motivated and bring back more useful content. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.